Hello, I am John Facemire with REMAX Capital Properties in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and I wanted to talk a little about military and permanent change of station, or PCS. PCSing is an exciting and also stressful time in a service member's career. I had 8 assignments during my military career, and each one of those was different. When you have a family, the unknown of where you will live and what schools your children will go to in the area is always in your thoughts. If you are planning to purchase a home, a realtor would be a great asset to assist you with the transition and answer any questions that you may have. Understanding your allowances and entitlements will also be beneficial during your move. I want to touch on a few of the ones that were important to me. The first one is basic allowance for housing. Make sure to look at the BAH rates for the location where you are going to be assigned, because these rates change based on the location and can be higher or lower depending on where you're moving to or moving from. Another important one is permissive TDY for house hunting. This can be done prior to your move or after you arrive at your new duty location, and it is for up to 10 days to allow you to secure housing. The next one that's important is temporary lodging expense, or TLE. TLE is an allowance given to partially offset lodging and meal expenses when a member or dependents need to occupy temporary lodging in connection with a PCS. The member receives reimbursement for up to 10 days. If the member is moving from one base to another, again, they're authorized up to 10 days of TLE. This could be either split at the gaining location or at the losing location when the member PCSs. Military members may be entitled to dislocation allowance when relocating their household due to PCS. Dislocation allowance is intended to partially reimburse relocation expenses not otherwise reimbursed. Dislocation allowances amount may vary based on rank and dependency status. As a realtor, I can assist you in the Cheyenne area, as well as reach out across the country to find you a realtor to assist you at your next gaining assignment. Again, my name is John Facemire and I work at REMAX Capital Properties. And if you have any questions about these topics that we discussed, please feel free to give me a call at 307-631-1121. Thank you and have a great day.